Hi, this is Raptor. Having problems with my dryer. It doesn't want to start. It lights up, all the numbers come up, but it just doesn't want to run. And I took it apart and I found the problem, so I wanted to share with you out there. This is it's a Kenmore HE4t I don't know if you see that. And this is what it does. It's been pretty relatively new. I think I've had this for 4 years. And you press the cycle, which is normal. It's 41 minutes. You press start. And if you listen, you could hear it clicking, but nothing else happens. There it goes. I don't know if you heard that. And that's all it does. It doesn't want to run. So I took this apart and I'll show you what I found. When I've had this apart, I cleaned it, so it was pretty dirty inside. Lint. Okay. They took the panel off the top already. All the screws are pretty much on the back side. It's this is an electric dryer. It's not a gas. Let's see, I'll show you what I found. This is what it looks like from the back side. Okay. This is what I found. The belt popped off. Why, I do not know. Shouldn't really pop off, but this has a micro switch, so when the belt tension is on, it clicks off, and it's right here. It clicks that when the belt falls off or breaks. I don't know why it fell off. It shouldn't fall off, but maybe that's another problem in itself. I don't know why it would do that, but when it does that, it won't run. So yeah, you have to reload this thing back up, and it goes like that. Actually, belt tensioner goes on the back side of the pulley. That's how you replace them too. And that's it. Spring's pretty tensioned on the spring. It's really strong. Yeah. But the belt comes around the tub, goes around the motor, comes back. It's a cog belt too. I don't know if you can see that. And then it goes around this pulley, and then back around up into there. And that's all it is, just that little switch right there. Turned it off, and that's it. Let's see, I'll show you how it runs. Okay. Here we go. Hit the normal button. Everything's lit up like usual. Press the start. There she goes, she's spinning. And that's all it took. Sometimes the door switch, there's a switch on the door, especially for a washing machine. They go bad. Then there's a thermal switch that can go bad on these also, which is in the vent tube inside. And you usually got to access it from the front of the panel here, which the screws are on the bottom. But yeah, it's my easy repair, so I'll be watching this to see if the belt comes off again. And if it does, if it comes off again, I'll look see if there's something else. I guess the belt could be replaced. It's kind of old and brittle, but I'll wait for it to break or pop off again. Yeah, I don't know why it popped off. I know we use the normal cycle a lot and the heavy duty. I don't know, who knows? One of those mysteries of life we'll probably never figure out. Just thought I'd share that with you. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope your dryer gets fixed like mine did. Pretty easy. Bye. Okay, after I got this back together, we did a load of laundry, started drying it, and the machine started getting louder and louder. And so I had to go back in there and find out what was making the noise. And I found that the pulley, the tensioner pulley on this, went bad, and it left huge grooves in the pulley from, it must have seized up a few times. It wasn't seized up when I was in there. It was loose, and it's loose now, but it must have seized up at one time. And this black powdery stuff here, I guess that's the belt from when it was dragging onto this pulley. So that's why the belt popped off. And if you look here, you can see there's a little dirt from the pulley and the belt. Well, it's belt dust. So I'm gonna have to get a new pulley. It's whole assembly. It's sold as one piece. Bought a new one of these and a new one of the belts because the belt is bad. So yep, I just thought I had to share that because I found the problem. It was the pulley on the tensioner went bad. Yeah. So a new one on order, and I'll be replacing that, and hopefully that'll fix the problem. So thanks for watching.